Hey guys, so this is going to be a very fast and quick and easy guide on how do you get Scratch blocks forever on Scratch. So basically this is how a Scratch block looks like, and obviously I don't have it installed right now. So let me just put on a new project for you right here so that everything's clean. So as you can see, I'm not using Scratch blocks, the Scratch cat blocks rather. So I'm not using that. So how do you get that? Simply go to Scratch add-ons. You want to install Scratch add-ons. So how do you do that? All right. So it's gonna be you want to go to the Chrome Web Store and you want to do this one, Scratch add-ons. So basically, if you install this, this allows you to get Scratch blocks forever while using Scratch. So that's how easy it is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you out, and I hope you enjoy this the cat blocks in your Scratch project. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is your buddy Josh of Basic Value. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace out.